Hey guys, today I just want to show you a quick way to make your cassava carioca. This is a sweet dessert which you will like, and it takes only few ingredients to prepare it. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. For this recipe, you will need vegetable oil, you will need sugar. I have half cup of sugar. You will need cassava, and you will need your stick, that skewer stick, which is optional. So let's get right into the video. First of all, I will wash my cassava because I just bought it from the shop. So I just make sure that I wash it very well before I start peeling it. So at this point, I just want to thank you all for watching. My new subscribers and my old subscribers, you guys are amazing and I appreciate you all. So I just go ahead and peel off the cassava skin. The cassava skin is not hard to peel, but you just have to be mindful not to cut yourself. Please remember to share out this video if you find this video helpful, and also give this video a thumbs up and comment below. So once I'm done peeling off the skin of the cassava, we go ahead and start grating the cassava. Meanwhile, you can put this in your food processor and blend it, but it doesn't require any water. Even the water in this cassava will be taking it out. That's why I'm using my grater to grate it. I'm done using the smallest part of the grater, and this is what it looks like. And you can also use this type to grate your cassava if this is what you have. So guys, I will see you when I'm done grating all the cassava. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So I will change to a bigger grater for easy grating, and after that I will transfer everything into my sieve. But meanwhile, this is the water coming out from it, so I will get a big bowl and I will transfer everything into my sieve to enable me to take out all the water. You see how I'm pressing it down just to make sure that I remove all the water from the cassava. So guys, we will move on to the next step. When I'm done taking out the water, we don't need any water in this recipe. So guys, this is the water I got from it, and if you leave it for a while to settle, the starch will go down, and this you can use it to thicken up your soup or your sauce. So let's continue with our video. So I just transferred my cassava into a bowl and I added some parts of my sugar. You can use more or less sugar. And over here I'm heating my vegetable oil. I will mix the sugar very well to incorporate very well with the cassava. Then once I'm done mixing the sugar, I will start molding the cassava ball. You don't need it to be too big, you don't need it to be too small. Just this measurement is okay, this size is okay. So I will see you when I'm done molding. Now I'm done molding. I'm dipping everything inside my sugar. The remaining sugar, I just want to coat it in it. You can use brown sugar if that's what you prefer. So after coating everything in the sugar, I will start frying it. Meanwhile, I'm deep frying it. Fry for 10 minutes Meanwhile, keep stirring it as you are frying it for easy brownness so that it will cook evenly. I'm frying on a low heat, and after 10 minutes this is what it looks like. I'll be taking it out from the oil. See how crunchy it's looking. I can't wait to have a bite on these cassava balls. So guys, here comes the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to try out this video. This is kids favorite. So I'll be filing it in my skewers. Meanwhile, this is optional. You can serve it like this, and you can put it in your skewers to serve it. So I'll be filing it in my skewers like this. This is how it's normally served, but you can serve it inside plates like I said earlier before. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye, and see you in my next video.